Oh great, another AI explainer video, because what the world needs is more people pretending to understand neural networks. But fine, let's do this. AI, artificial intelligence. It's not Skynet, it's not your creepy robot overlord, and no, it doesn't actually know you're watching this video. Probably. Let's break it down before ChatGPT writes me out of a job. Okay, so AI is basically a toddler with a calculator. You give it a bunch of data, like say every cat photo ever uploaded to the internet, and it learns to recognize cats. But here's the kicker. It doesn't understand cats. It just knows that if something has pointy ears and whiskers, it can yell cat and get a cookie. That's machine learning. Congrats, you're now smarter than 90% of LinkedIn AI experts. And neural networks? They're not actual brains. They're math equations stacked like a Jenga tower. If it collapses, your self-driving car thinks stop signs are UFOs, which honestly would be more fun. Here's the thing, AI isn't intelligent. It's a glorified parrot. You know how parrots can say, Polly wants a cracker, but have no idea what crackers are? That's AI. It mimics patterns, but has zero common sense. Ask it to write a poem about love, and you'll get something like, roses are red, data is vast, error 404, emotions not found. Deep stuff. And no, AI won't steal your job, unless your job is writing generic corporate emails, in which case, yeah, you're toast. Let's roast AI for a sec. Remember when ChatGPT tried to solve a math problem and confidently said 2 + 2 = 5? Self-checkout machines accused you of stealing bananas because you moved them slightly. Facial recognition tagged a teapot as Oprah. AI's like that one friend who acts smart but can't figure out a revolving door. Sure, it can generate a Shakespearean sonnet about tacos, but ask it to explain why tacos are good, and it'll say, tacos exhibit optimal nutritional geometry. Cool. Thanks, robot. Now, AI is scary, but not because it'll launch nukes. It's scary because it's biased AF. Train it on the internet and suddenly it thinks nurses are only women and CEOs are only dudes named Chad. It's gullible. Show it a picture of a stop sign with a post-it note that says, speed limit 100, and your Tesla yeets itself into a ditch. It's everywhere. Your phone, your fridge, your kid's weird singing toothbrush, all smart now. Congrats, Skynet's in your toothpaste. Want to outsmart the machines? Here's how. Ask better questions. Write me a resume. Sucks. Write me a resume that makes me sound like I invented fire? Better. Fact check it. AI lies smoother than a politician. If it says dinosaurs invented TikTok, maybe Google that. Remember, it's a tool, not a brain. Use it to draft emails, not diagnose your rash. WebMD already does that poorly enough. So yeah, AI's just math cosplaying as intelligence. It won't take over the world, unless we're dumb enough to let it run the DMV. Want to know how AI creates deep fakes, why it's awful at art, or how to make it write a breakup text for you? Subscribe so I can keep explaining tech stuff until the robots revoke my access. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go argue with my Roomba again. It's judging me.